so it'll hurt and swell, but I won't die. I wouldn't die from it. So there's not many, actually there aren't any tarantulas. Once again, that's all, like a lot of volume. Yeah, do you have a question? I have gotten bit by other tarantulas, not by her. She's very sweet. She's good. Alright guys, you want to move on to something else? So, I was obviously teasing you a little bit. So the tarantula is cute and fuzzy. I do have some other cute and fuzzy animals that I want to show you. Just because it is really, really cool. This animal that I'm going to show you is a bit nervous. So I'm going to ask that you guys keep the volume down, right? Because if you guys are too loud, this next animal won't let itself be enjoyed by you. Trust me, you are going to love this thing because you're going to get a chance to touch it if you'd like. So, I'm going to ask you guys to please keep the volume down because I'm just going to prepare you right now since it's probably going to happen. The sound is loud. But the louder you are, the more that comes out. So, let's be quiet, alright? And you know what? I think I'm going to need a volunteer. You're very brave, aren't you? Do you trust Mr. Danny? Okay, come on. Come here. Okay, you are going to put your hands straight out. Now fold them like this. And make this great little ledge right close to your face there. Perfect. Okay. Now, my next animal is going to hover right here on your arm.
What is it?
This is a chinchilla from South America. Oh, look, you can see the venomous spines are coming out right now. I'm kidding, there's no spines.
And chinchilla.
Chinchilla from South America. And they like to live in the Andes Mountains, up high. And they like to live on these edges where they can see everything around them. Not only are they super cute, but they're also super delicious if you are a fox or a hawk. So they're very watchful, and they live on these ledges where they can see everything around them and they can see predators coming from any direction. And if they needed to, they can go up to the top of the mountain and they can hang out up there and they can see everything perfectly fine with no problem.
Excuse me? Could I pet it?
Sorry about that. Okay, you're fine. Thank you. You're good. Yes. Wait, hold on 1 second, okay? So, here's the deal. The chinchilla is not only super cute, but it is literally the world's softest animal. You are going to have the chance, if you remain quiet, you're going to have the chance to pet him, okay? What we're going to do is you are going to stay seated, right, bottom down on the floor, and then I will come to you and you can touch them. Use about 2 or 3 fingers on their back, very gently, okay? Don't dig in there, don't like rub around, like just be very gentle, touch them on the back, and he'll actually enjoy it. They like companionship, they like being held, and they actually make really good pets. If anybody ever considers getting one as a pet, they are good pets, but just know that they live for almost 30 years. So they're very long-lived animals.
I'm 38 by the time.
If you do not want to touch him, cross your arms. And please keep your voices low, because if he gets nervous, then I have to put him away and you guys are going to miss out.
Can he poop on you? Yeah.
No, they don't poop.
Oh, then he just pooped in your arms.
Where is it?
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to pet it.
Isn't that amazing?
Can I pet it?
So, grown-ups, we will not, I repeat, we will not be getting chinchilla coats anytime soon. No. Because if you do, you have to tell him to his face. Alright? And it takes about 120 to 140 just for one coat. But conversely, it's kind of a weird thing because chinchillas are actually almost extinct in the wild. There's very few of them left. And if it actually wasn't for the fur industry and the pet industry, they would probably be
Feels
gone.
like a pillow.
Right now, there are more chinchillas in captivity than there are in the wild.
That is hand in the front was me. The front hand was me.
Yeah.